It's a wonderful day. Today we're gonna harvest our our garlic. I think it's ready, so let's show you what it's gonna look like. Back in November of 2025, I ordered 2 hardneck varieties of garlic from Territorial's Seed Company. I have the Metechi garlic as well as the organic Romanian red garlic. I went ahead and planted them in my raised bed as well as a grow bag, a 20-gallon grow bag, and I covered them up and let them do their thing over the winter. They experienced their vernalization period, which they needed to grow since they are a hardneck variety. And you can see the full planting video that I have linked in my garlic playlist. Fast forward to the end of June, this hardneck variety is ready to pull, and in this video I'm going to go through pulling up the garlic as well as how to cure it. This is the garlic in the grow bags. As you can see, a lot of the leaves are brown, so I think we will harvest this one first. I think that's what we'll do. I pulled one up and I wanted to show you how each leaf is actually a layer of protective skin that holds the bulbs intact, and if you let all of them turn brown, they're going to be thin, which means your cloves will be exposed underground. So you really don't want to wait until everything turns brown, because then you won't be able to store it properly and you'll have to use it right away. But I went ahead and pulled this one. These bulbs are a lot smaller than the ones in the garden bed. I do believe it has to do with the amount of fertilization that it received. I didn't really pay attention to the garlic in the grow bags as much as I did the ones in ground, but this is the first time for everything. I think these are pretty decent, and I'm just pulling them up and shaking them off. The roots are pretty good, which is great, but I don't think the cloves had enough nutrients to really get too big, but that's okay. This one is the biggest garlic that I pulled from the grow bags, and now we're going to move on to the garden bed and pull those as well. Put more stuff. Oh, now there's ants on them. Come on. Wow. Okay. Ooh. You gotta go, Mr. Spider. I cannot have you with me. That's pretty good. That's a decent size. Once your garlic is pulled, you're going to want to start the curing process. I have my seed starting rack that I'm going to use. You can use like a rack with like chicken wire, anything that's, you could tie them together as well. Anything that's going to keep them well ventilated and help them release all that moisture. I'm removing all those extra leaves because they hold a lot of moisture. As I was cutting those stems off, there was liquid, so just cut them off. There's no need for them unless you plan on braiding it, but I don't. I hang them in each rack and give them enough room, and I put a fan next to it so the air circulates properly, because we don't want any mold to grow. And they're going to sit like this for 2 to 3 weeks. You want to make sure they are completely dry. This is about 2 weeks after I pulled the garlic. It's still not ready because the stem is still soft. It should be completely hard, especially since it's a hard neck variety of garlic. I'm just going to peel off a layer of the skin. It is papery, but again, you want it to be fully cured. I'm going to remove the dirt and also trim off the roots, and I will show you what fully cured garlic looks like in the next clip. This is about 1 month after I pulled the garlic up. You'll know that your garlic is fully cured because the outer layers will become dry and papery, and it'll become tight around the bulb. The roots will be shriveled and they're dry and thin. And then for the hard neck varieties, when you trim it down, the very center of it should feel hard and dry without any slippery moisture. You want to make sure you save your largest garlic head for planting next year, and the possibilities are endless. You can peel all the cloves and freeze them. You can make garlic powder, dehydrated garlic, whatever your heart desires. If you want to see more gardening videos, or to see what I decide to do with these two hardneck varieties of garlic, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down below, have you had any success growing garlic? And if you did, what did you do with your garlic? Thanks for watching.